business to say it twice with an attitude. I'm looking like the fabric dripping off a pharaoh with artesian linen waterfall medallion sharper than your average tip of an arrow. I can wear a picture from Picasso, but I'm looking better next to Mona Lisa. Made a supernova from a combination. Now I got a goddess outer space diva.
Rep the city, gotta rep the city. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch, mask on.
Hey guys, this is the look that we're going to be doing today, and I'm really liking this look. I didn't expect this look to come out this good, but before we get into this video, please subscribe with the button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video, and let's just get right into it. The palette we're going to be using today is the Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey palette, and I'm really digging the colors in this palette. It's so different from anything I have. We're taking this bone color and just setting my brow bone with it. And the brush that I'm using for this is from the Morphe All I Want brush set. And by the way, you guys, the intro music is my boyfriend's music. He really liked this look, so why not just place his music in a look that he likes? So I was trying to be thoughtful. Next, we're taking this orange color and just putting it in the front of the crease. I really just work it into like that bridge part of my nose, basically, and just blend and build up the color. And this is the Sigma E35. And then we're going in with this blue honey color and putting it in the outer part of the crease and the outer corner of my eyelid. Then we're taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer and we're going to cut the crease. This is the shade Honey, and I really do like this concealer for cutting the crease and applying eyeshadow on top of it. It works so good. Then I'm just blending out the edge of that cut crease with a micro beauty blender. Then we're taking this duochrome color. This is a blue with a gold shift, and we're going to pop it into the inner corner. So we're doing opposite of the crease. Then we're going to take the gold color and put it right next to that blue color we just applied. It's pretty much going in the middle. Sorry I'm not talking to you guys so much. I don't feel good. I'm on a ton of Benadryl and my allergies have been acting up so bad today. And then we're going to pack on this maroon color in the outer part of the cut crease pretty much and blend it into the outer V of that blue area that we have. And then we're just going to take some of Blue Honey and just blend out that maroon shade into Blue Honey. And by the way, I really wanted to dislike Kylie's eyeshadows because I don't know, but her products are good. Like, I love her products, so she did that. And then we're taking Rimmel Wonder Swipes, and for this color we're putting it where the blue is, and for the blue we're putting it where the orange is. And how I do my under eye before my face is I apply some concealer, blend it out, and apply some powder. I'm using both the Stay Matte concealer and powder to do this. And now we're going to take this pinky highlight color. It's really pretty. I really like this color in this palette. And put it in the inner corner. Next we're going with the blue shade and putting it on the inner lower lash line. Again, the opposite from the crease. And the orange shade goes on the outside of the lower lash line, again opposite of the crease. And to connect the two colors, we're going in with the yellow and just popping that right in the middle of the lower lash line. And then we're taking this highlight shade and putting it on the brow bone. And next we're going in with my current favorite, which is the Punch Cream Gel Liner from ColourPop. I really like it for popping on the waterline and creating that pop of neon color. It can get really, really intense if you build it up. And then we're going to prime with Fix Plus from MAC. This is the coconut scented one. And my boyfriend is like, is that for your hair? I was like, no, it's for your face. He's like, no. It was just so funny. And then we're going to use the Stay Matte foundation from Rimmel. I'm using the color Sun Beige, and we're just going to pop it on our face and blend it out with a beauty blender. I kind of struggle blending this out, and honestly when I applied concealer it kind of picked up the foundation. I'm not sure. I just have to play around with this formula a little bit more and learn about it a little bit more and see how I can make it work. And now I'm going with the concealer from that same line. This is the color Linen, and then I contour with the shade Sable. And then we're going to highlight with Anastasia's Liquid Glow in the shade Oyster, and I'm applying this with my beauty blender as well. And you guys, I am so obsessed with these. I just tried the shade Perla today. I tried it yesterday. Oh my gosh, I am so in love, and I cannot help but apply a ton of it. It is so beautiful. And then we're going to set everything with the Stay Matte powder from Rimmel. And then we're going to go in with this Lumi Bronze It from L'Oreal. This is a shade Deep, and this is such a beautiful bronzer. Like, oh my goodness. Apply it with a beauty blender. It gives like a sheen to your skin, and it's just so gorgeous. I really love this bronzer. For blush, we're taking one of the Buxom Wonderlust blushes, and I'm popping that right on my cheeks and my temples. For lips, we're using the MAC Retro Liquid Lip, and I really love this color. It's called So Me, and just like the name says, this color is so me. Like, this is like my staple lipstick color I always wear. As for the formula of this lipstick, all I have to say is I need more. Like, I need more color. So what is your favorite shade in this lipstick? Just let me know down below so I can get it. And that is how I did this look. I really love this look. This might be one of my favorite looks I've ever created. But I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another video.
This game get fun. Top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas game, boosting my adrenaline. Big fun. Percocet.